I bought some rocks.
What's up, everybody? Today I'm actually gonna open this box full of rocks. Let's do it, baby. This one's inside a box full of rocks. Bubble wrap. Oh, okay, I feel like I got scammed here. I'm gonna explain in a second. The other night I was on the computer. I was searching far and wide for cool things I could either unbox or test for you guys. And I came across this Etsy shop. Now what this seller was selling was rocks. But in the photos, the rocks look so much bigger than this. I feel like I've been catfished by rocks. What's so special about these rocks is you're supposed to gently hammer them. And on the inside are like gems. They are $10 a rock, and I decided I wanted to get 3 just in case I mess up the first one. And also mess up the second one. We're gonna smash open these rocks one by one and see what type of gems are in each one. All right, let's do it. Lay down some bubble wrap. Excuse this in the shot, by the way, because this is just gonna get a closer shot of the rocks. So we have this camera, and then we're using my iPhone 10 actually, so just ignore this whole rig here. I know it's distracting as hell. Let's go ahead and open up the first rock. Oh. Okay, it's like a legit rock. There's still like dirt on it. Let's just unwrap all the rocks first and we'll decide which one we're gonna smash. 2 and 3. The reason why I wanted to do this video was because when I was a kid, my parents took me and my brothers camping. It was like a family vacation camping. And it was at a campsite. We used to have like a trailer, like a pop-up trailer and stuff. So it was at this campsite, but across the street from the campsite was this big like rock quarry that you would go in, you would rent a hammer. I think that's how it worked. Because obviously you don't travel with a hammer. You just go in and just hammer as many rocks as you wanted. And there was the chance that you'd be able to find like a crystal. Although it looked like a diamond. It was only like crystals, but it looked like diamonds. So when I saw these, I'm like, that kind of brought me back. I think these are guaranteed to be gems inside. Let's do this guy first. Let's go like this. Here we go. Oh shoot, I'm denting my table. I don't want to dent my table here. We're gonna put down this mat and this cutting board. This is actually a pretty nice cutting board that I have, if I do say so myself. However, the only thing I cut is ass, so I don't need this. So if it gets ruined, it's not the end of the world. There, that's better, right? Okay, rock number 1, let's go ahead and smash this. I'm gonna try and do this as gently as possible because I want to preserve the gems inside. This is making a really loud sound. What we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna smash this outside my balcony, and then what we'll do is we'll go over it here on camera. Oh my god, okay, first up, I don't know what this lady was talking about having to be gentle. I had to friggin' smack this thing. Oh, look at that. I don't think you guys can really see this. That is so damn fun. Damn, man, these are nice. Now, needless to say, I'm not a rock expert, so I've got no idea what kind of crystals these are. It's cool. This is a really cool thing already. I've only smashed one rock. It's already a really cool thing because every time you hit it, every rock is gonna be different. I imagine all 3 of these rocks have the same color of crystal inside. It sucks, so if you hit it too hard, you're actually gonna chip it off and get these little chunks like this, which are pretty much not really usable at all. So this is rock number 1. Next rock, we're gonna bring it outside again. All right, rock number 2, let's see what we got. Oh, look at this one. This one's like loaded with crystals, man. It's almost like just a giant crystal rock. Like there's barely any space in this one. These ones broke off in like little watermelon slices. Exact same crystals. However, this one is got a lot more fine crystals. There's like not much space, but if you look close enough, let's see if I can get it. It's cool because you can kind of see like, there is like a little tiny area, like a pit in the middle. You can kind of see all the different gems in there. Again, you know, I paid $10 a rock here, but let's just say anybody out there is watching has kids or like a little brother or a cousin. This is cool. Imagine going up to them and being like,
yo, I got you this for your birthday.
And they're gonna be like,
you got me a rock?
You're like,
No. I need you to hammer this open and inside is like diamonds. You
say diamonds, the kid's gonna be like,
oh my god, I got diamonds.
But really it's just crystal. We got our last rock here. Let's go ahead and do our last rock. This is what this one looks like. It's got a big white thing right there. So I'm hoping that's just like a giant ass ruby. Although I'm assuming that they're all the same. Okay, so for this last one, we're actually gonna do this one inside. I've reinforced the bottom so it shouldn't be as loud. I think for the second one, I may have hit the rock too hard because it made a lot finer pieces. Nothing. I'm gonna run this one underwater because I think you can actually see the crystal coming through on the outside. Is crystal. Okay, so I was right. After running it underwater, you can actually see the crystal, the backside of the crystal on the outside. Hitting the table is just too loud. Let's do this on the ground really quick. No. Let's do this outside then. Here we go. I've not looked at this yet. This is kind of a cool piece. That's a cool piece. These other thin pieces, like, these are pretty good. Let me look at it. Let me look at detail of these things. Whoa. This is cool. It's like a little world of gem. You can see after hitting 3 rocks, there's a lot of remnants. So if you guys are gonna do this outside and you have a pet, I know Charlie goes out on my balcony. It's important that you clean it up because it gets really fine, and in fact, a lot of this actually kind of resembles glass and it's sharp. Wherever you're gonna smack this, almost do it as if you're gonna smash a beer bottle. It's the exact same thing. It shoots out shards of crystal, which sounds way cooler having a piece of crystal stuck in your foot than a piece of glass, but. So that was the third rock. That was the third and final rock. And you can see there's like little baby crystals there at the bottom. Little baby crystals there at the bottom, but for $10 a rock, it's not that bad. I got 3, so it was 30 bucks. I imagine there's a ton of shops out there on the internet that have these rocks you can smash with gems inside. So if you guys, I'm gonna probably give away 3. If you guys are interested in getting one of these rocks, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram and put a rock emoji on my latest photo, whatever it is at the time. Super easy. And then if you're one of the 3 winners, I'll DM you, send me your address, and I'll ship out a piece of these rocks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.